You. What's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and you already know. Hold on, me. And you already know what time it is, man. I got my brother right here. Emula Plays. You already see his son in the background playing. All right. Emula Plays. This is my brother right here. Y'all asking where the waves at? Y'all asking where the waves at? Come on, man. The waves is right here. What you mean? Come on. What y'all mean? What you talking about? I know y'all probably thinking, Jeezy, but wait until I cut it off. Wait until I cut it off, all right? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Listen, I'm gonna use these new JRL clippers. I'm basically gonna see what these do, all right? In the meantime, between time, stay tuned.
HustleDreamProduction.
Did you stay on there for the whole story?
What?
About the dog.
About the dog?
Yeah.
You said it? You read the comment?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't think you
was
read
talking
it.
about it. Hold on, keep your head straight though.
Oh, my bad. I didn't think you read it.
Yeah, I was on it for a minute.
Oh, bro, my
I told
bad.
the whole story.
Oh, I didn't think you did, bro. I
That
was
man
like,
be
oh,
saying stuff and just jumping out.
Nah, bro, because I waited and I was like, he's talking about bones. I was sitting there feeling like, oh, I'm over here trying to bring up something completely off topic than what he's talking about. And
Nah, I saw that and I was like, all right, I'm gonna talk about it. Oh, it wasn't on YouTube, it was on Instagram, huh?
yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it was on Instagram.
Because I was on both. I went on both.
Yeah, I did talk about it on Instagram.
Oh, bro.
I went in, Everett. People was dying laughing, Everett.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
Oh,
I told the
my
whole
God.
story, Everett.
I'm heckin' mad.
Bro, everybody was dying, Everett. The way I was telling it, I thought. Alright, listen, you guys. Let me tell you the story how it's really supposed to be told, alright? Listen, the time I got bit by my own dog, though.
I'm heckin' mad on this, though. I really am.
Bro, I'm talking about I had you in it. What you mean? Like, I mean, it has to start off with you. It has to start off with you.
I even forgot about that part because I'm like, dang, why did Jared?
Yeah, because you was riding it like a horsey first. My little brother, Emula Plays, the one that I'm cutting right now, okay? He decided to get on it like a horsey. And I kid you not, it was looking fun because of the simple fact that he was just really galloping with the dog, right? So I said, in my mind as a kid, what a bright idea. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, hey, shoot, soon as he get off, my turn. I'm about to hop right in. I started riding on the dog at first, and then it wasn't doing it for me. It wasn't moving nowhere. So then I started like kind of galloping it to kind of like go, you know what I mean? And he just started growling. I got off. I was like, oh, okay. So then I petted it for a minute, like a little bit, and went back inside. So I went back inside, and I was trying to hoop with Brandon because Brandon was outside hooping. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna go back outside. So I went back to Gateway. So the dog is looking at my brother play basketball in the same spot. y'all. I come back, he in the same spot. So I went up to the dog and I pet it just to calm things down. You know what I mean? As I'm petting it, y'all, I'm telling you. So he was in the same area like when I came back, and then next thing you know, he started growling again. I'm like, what the heck? He straight up just took my arm, like took it. And in my mind, I'm thinking, what the, like, man, come on, man, like, what the heck? Next thing you know, bam, he snatched my arm, okay? He's got a hold of my arm. I'm crying, I'm become confused. I'm like, why is he trying to rip my arm off? You know what I mean? So next thing you know, I got it in my mind, I need to do something before he take my whole arm off. So I came to conclusion, I'm gonna hit him on top of his head, okay? And I ripped it. This is the reason why. It's the reason why it's a little torn. You know what I'm saying? And at this time, I'm in the 7th grade. I'm a little dude. I'm only like 4'2", something slight. It would have been a hole had he let go, but then I just wanted my arm free so bad that I just yanked it. And I immediately thought that the dog was gonna chase after me. Yeah. So I hurried up and opened the gate and unlocked the gate and started running to the basketball courts. And I fell down to the basketball courts and like, he bit me. Oh. So I run out the gate. Oh my God. I run to the basketball court. Brandon, get daddy, please. The dog bit me. Now, let me tell y'all something. Pops, this man goes and runs to the dog with a 2x4 and start beating him in the backyard, all right? Listen, kids, this is true story, but kids, listen to me. All you heard was,
Daddy is savage, bro.
Daddy was a savage.
That dog was big as hell.
Yeah, that dog was big.
I would be scared to this day to hit that dog with anything.
Right.
That, he was like, nah.
But then that dog was scared of Daddy anyway, though.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah. So.
Dang, Daddy, you think about it.
After Daddy was beating on the dog, I went inside the house. You don't remember me standing in the hallway talking about it's all over, you guys? I get in the hallway and I'm talking to my brothers and I said, y'all look. It's looking like it's gonna be over for me, y'all. I'm bleeding. I'm thinking in my mind, I'm bleeding out. It's over for me, y'all. Brandon, you can have my Batman. Everett, I know you like Ninja Turtles. You can have my Ninja Turtle, man. My Spider-Man, my superhero. All my trinkets, you can have that, Everett. I know, Brandon, you ain't really into toys that much, but I know you like Batmans since you threw my Batman on the roof one time. But we ain't gonna tell that. I was really like thinking that it's over for me, like, cause it's like I'm bleeding out, Everett. Like I'm opening my hand and I can see the white meat. Yeah. I could dang near see my bones.
Yeah, I remember that.
So I'm like, oh dang, man, like I'm about to die here. But I mean, I definitely was overreacting. But still though. But I'm saying, I'm bleeding out. My older brother, he kind of like,
bro, you gonna be all right.
My little brother is sitting here really looking at me like,
oh my God, he's dying. What do we do?
Meanwhile, Pops is gone. Pops is gone somewhere. I'm like, okay, can you take me to the hospital? We finally get to the hospital, y'all. So I went to the hospital that day, and Daddy still ain't looked at it. And then next thing you know, like, when the doctor opened my hand, because I wouldn't take it off my hand. I wouldn't take my hand off my arm, so I was like, heck no, I'm about to. So the doctor is gonna sit here and be on some, we not gonna stitch it right now. We gonna add 2 stickers, 2 white little stickers to hold it together. I'm thinking, what the heck is that gonna do? As a kid, I'm thinking, boy, this needs stitches, for sure. 'Tis the reason why it looked so bad. Right, they put 2 stickers. It was like 2 stickers, 2 white little straight stickers to just hold it in place. Talking about if it doesn't get any better, he might need stitches. Like, dude, you should have did it all out the gate.
Right.
Here's where it gets like, dang, man. We went to go put the dog to sleep. And Daddy, how the heck you taking me to go put the dog to sleep?
I went with the dog to get the dog took down. All right, we had a truck. He put the dog in the back seat of the truck, y'all. I'm in the front seat. He put the dog in the back seat. Ain't no telling if the dog was trying to get revenge. You know what I mean? I didn't know. I didn't think the dog. I thought the dog was coming for revenge. I'm in the front seat, really just like feeling some type of way. And I kid y'all not, y'all. This is a plot twist.
I'm not talking about the back seat of the truck, Everett. I'm not talking about the truck part. This man put him in the back seat, Everett, like right behind me.
You already know he's spiteful.
Yeah, I'm already thinking like, okay, this dog finna really turn up on me and get his revenge. But nah, Everett, literally, it was the total opposite. This dog was licking my ear as if to really say sorry.
Like, he had the whole I'm sorry vibes, like, written all over his whole little aura, the way he just kept licking me. And I'm like, okay, bro, okay. And the way he just kept, it was just a sad moment. But in my mind, I'm thinking, bro, it's too late. Look what you done did. Look what you did to me. You know what I mean? That's how I'm feeling.
I play with Beasley all the time.
Yeah, I was scared of Beasley, low key though.
Yeah. But he did roll. You right? You did. You did galley up on him with him, man. Like.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't know what y'all was doing, but I was scared, bro. I was really scared. Thinking about it, I don't know what made me do that.
But he wasn't a bad dog, though. I mean, he was scary when we would tease him. But when we wasn't teasing him, he wasn't.
Y'all was teasing him?
We was teasing. We would go hit him, run away from him, hop on the fence. And while he bark at us, we was teasing that dog.
What the heck?
Let's cut to the cheese, all right? We used to tease my dog, okay? Me, my brothers, my sisters. We used to hit the dog, run, jump on the fence, and have it bark at us. You know what I mean? Just to have fun. You know what I mean? We was faster than the dog, slightly. You know what I mean? Real slight. Moral of the story is, y'all, moral of the story is, if a dog can apologize, some of you out there right now have done people wrong and still ain't apologized. If a dog can apologize, you a dang human. You know dang well you should go over there and apologize. Moral of the story, the dog died. Don't go to your deathbed without apologizing. That's a good message, man. I don't know. Hey, call it what you want. Message. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like bam. YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like the story and the haircut, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, Hustle Dreams Production is on the beat. Make sure you go check out his YouTube channel. It will be linked in the description below. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chick.